Hey and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, I'm so glad that you are here. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Vivian, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I tint and darken my brows at home. And I kind of do this routine as a sort of high maintenance so that I can be low maintenance, in the sense that I don't have to do my brows every day. I'm the type of person that everywhere I go, I have to get my brows done. I have to have my brows drawn, and this routine makes it so that I don't have to do that every day. I could just wake up, get ready, and leave the house, and it's that easy. I'll be using this simple box dyes. The name is Black and Beautiful, and the shade is a natural black. And yeah, the process is really easy. My brows are already cleaned up. I already shaped it and cleaned them up like some days ago. So the first step is actually putting on concealer, and I like to do this just so that when I go in with the dye, it doesn't stain my actual skin. Use the concealer to map out. Oh my goodness, can you guys hear that? I might have to switch to voiceover because that noise it's annoying me. So I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's irritating me. So I'm going to switch to voiceover so you guys don't have to deal with all of that. So I'm going to... Okay, so concealer first, but before I go in with concealer, I'm going to use some wipes to clean off my brow area, get rid of the dirt and oils that might still be lingering on that area, and just prep it and get it ready for the dye to be applied. And I dry it off, and I'm zooming in just so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm using the concealer to make an outline, and this is so that I don't mistakenly go over where I'm supposed to apply the tint on my brows and then go ahead and stain my skin, because washing that stain off is actually very difficult. Okay, I'm going ahead to repeat the same process that I did for under my brow for the top of my brows. Just clean it up and making an outline. I have to check if what I'm doing is actually accurate, because you don't want to mistakenly draw the outline and then brows don't look similar. You don't want that. So I'm going to, look in the mirror and correct any mistakes that need to be corrected. Okay, the concealer acts as a colored guide before I actually go in with Vaseline. The last time I used only concealer, my skin still managed to get stained somehow. I don't know how that happened, and that's exactly why I'm still going in with Vaseline, because it helps to prevent the stain. That's why I just apply it right on top of the concealer. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I've gotten the shape that I want. Here is the actual dye, and I'll get a small container that I'll be using to mix it in along with the developer. Once I put them both into the container, I just mix until both are properly and thoroughly mixed in, and it's just left for me to apply it to my brows. Okay, so around the arc and towards the tail end of my brows, I layer the mixture very heavy because I want those parts to be darker than the front of my brows. And towards the front, I start to go in with very light feather-like strokes because I don't want block brows. Nobody likes block brows. So yeah, that's what I'm actually doing right here, because I'm just imitating kind of like feather-like strokes to kind of imitate hairs, sort of. Yeah. Okay, so now that I'm done applying the mixture to both my brows, I'm just looking at myself, admiring the work that I've done, and yeah, so you guys can see it close up. So I'll come back after 10 minutes so that you guys can see what I've done. Actually, after 5 minutes, yeah, I have to clean up the front part because I want gradient. I want it to look kind of like gradient brows, lighter towards the front and darker towards the end. So that's why after 5 minutes I came back to clean up those parts. Now that my 10 minutes is up, I've come back to clean up the rest of the brows. Now you see how it's looking. Yeah, that's how I wanted it to be. Not too dark at the front parts, but kind of, I wanted a sort of gradient from the front towards the end. Okay, so I don't know why I went in a second time with this, but I just felt like I needed it to be darker. You don't have to do it because the first time I cleaned it off, it was perfectly fine. I just wanted to be greedy and make it darker. I don't know. You can stop at the first application, but if you want it a little bit darker, you can try it the second time. Yeah. And I cleaned it off, and this is the final result. And I love it. Can you tell how much I love it? Oh my god, I'm feeling myself at this point. But yeah, with this I don't have to draw my brows every single morning. This is really a high maintenance routine so that you can be low maintenance all you want, because your brows are already done. All you have to do is get ready and leave the house. I love this so much, and guess what, it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. It's literally affordable. It's a win-win, like easy and affordable. That's all. Yeah, if you also love it, subscribe. Okay, so that's the end of the video. The process is really easy. It can be done under 10 minutes in the comfort of your own bathroom, and it's a really amazing routine to add to your maintenance routine. And yeah, this is the end of the video. If you stuck around this point, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share this video to your friends, to your baby girls, and whoever else you feel would need this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.